everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in the November 2022 Boxycharm base box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alrighty, this here is super early this month. I'm filming it midweek, so buckle up. This arrived today, which is Thursday, November the 10th. I must say that is one of the earliest I've ever received a Boxycharm box. All right, for anyone who may be new, this is a $28 a month beauty subscription where you get 5 full-size beauty products and you get to select one of the 5 items. It does come with a card. The theme this month is it's giving giftable glam, and I am iteration 56. Okay, for anyone who is old school with Boxycharm, yay, the styrofoam is back. Don't know why that excites me so much, but nice to see it again. Okay, the first item, what do we have here? Something from a brand called Lunar Magic, and it's mango and cherry. What are you? I'm gonna predict possibly a lip oil duo, but I have no clue. All right, well, I'm kind of onto it. What are these? Hydrating lip balms, a duo. Okay, not mad. I'd rather get a duo than one little teeny lip balm. Okay, it's this type of applicator squeezy tube with the thing that touches to your lips. Okay, that kind of smells like cherry. Reminds me of a Tums or one of those calcium tablets you take when you have antacid, that scent of cherry, if you catch my drift. And this is in mango, which that one I don't smell as much. I'm picking up my hand lotion more than anything. All right, what does that retail for? All right, the lip balm duo retails for $16. All right, what do we have here? Ooh, something from CIATÉ London. This here is the Velvet Lip Liner, and I have it in the shade Coco. Ooh, is that going to be a dark brown? I don't know how I feel about that. It's nice packaging. It has a metal or plastic that looks like metal lid. Ooh, that is very, very dark brown. Does not jive with any of the lip shade colors I wear. Still a lovely product, but this is more than likely going to go into a giveaway. All right, what does that retail for? Really? $18? I find that a little pricey, but moving on. All right, what do we have here? I think this is what I selected. Yes, this is the OFRA Midi face palette, and I got it in the shade light. This should be a bronzer contour with, they always throw in a highlighter. Ooh, yes. Okay. Ooh, I'm digging this shade here. I like a more cool tone. Let's do some swatches. All right. Yes, as suspected, I am digging what in the pan looked to be the darker shade, but it's more cool toned. Here is the lighter shade, which is way too orange for my skin tone. And would you look at that highlighter? OFRA has the best highlighters, in my opinion. In fact, I'm wearing one today. They also do beautifully on the brow bone and in the inner corner. Also, I want to point out, this opens all the way, which is just a personal gold star, in my opinion. All right, how much was that? I forget. $35. Yeah, that's pretty typical. A one pan highlighter at OFRA is $35. These pans are a little smaller, but you're getting 2 bronzers and a highlighter. So I'm digging it. All right, what do we have here? This packaging is looking very similar to the CIATÉ London. Okay, this is from REALHER, and it's a metallic eyeliner duo. Oh. We're going to get 2 pencils, or is it dual-sided? No, okay. 2 pencils. Let's see. Yes. Why is this looking familiar? Do I already have this? I don't know. I'll have to look it up. But it comes in, I thought it was black, but I think this may be a navy blue. And this is like a penny, like a copper color. Let's do some swatches. Okay, yes, that is a blue, and I'm excited because I only have like black and maybe some cream colors, and that penny color copper does have a slight shimmer. I definitely don't have these. I may have an eyeliner pencil from REALHER, but definitely not this set or these colors. All right, what does that retail for? Holy cow, $30, 15 bucks a piece. All right, and the last item, this looks to be some skincare. It's from a brand, am I familiar with this? EPIONE or EPIONE, and it's the Flawless Serum. The outer packaging is quite lovely. If I could get the box open, there we go. Let's see what the inner packaging, ooh. It's plastic, but it just, something about the black shininess and then the kind of gold sticker just gave it a elevated sense of fanciness. It does come with a pump. Let's see what the formula is like. Oh, okay. It's clear. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It's right there. And it looks to be, I'm going to assume, very silicone-y. It's feeling oily, and sometimes silicones feel oily. It is giving a glow, but let's see if it like sinks into the skin or if it stays kind of greasy like that. Not greasy, but a little oily. Let's see how much that retails for. No. Shut the front door. No. In a plastic bottle, this retails for $195. It's not even like 111 Skin or La Mer. Now, I do know that both Ipsy and Boxycharm, when it comes to like 111 Skin or Avant, they have it formulated overseas, like in China, and the packaging isn't the same. So if you were to buy that product from the retailer in London or the UK and it costs $136 or whatever it costs, it's not the exact same product. So I'm wondering if it's the same thing, because this is some cheap ass plastic for a product that's $195. I would assume or hope that it would come in a glass bottle, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know that the company's website will mention what the packaging's made out of, but I'm suspecting maybe that's what happened. All right, let's recap everything that came in my November 2022 Boxycharm base box. I got a duo of lip balms from Lunar Magic, a duo of eyeliners from REALHER, a lip liner from CIATÉ London, a contouring and bronzing palette from OFRA, and a super bougie serum. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, first, 4 out of the 5 were makeup items. I love OFRA. I got to select this. I'm excited. I always use lip balms. Is it the best thing to get in a box? No. But will I use it? Yes. I'm excited that I have some new and different eyeliner colors, so that's good. I don't honestly use lip liners very often, if at all. And if and when I do, I won't be using this brown. But it is makeup, so there's that. This serum, by the way, it did sink into the skin. I just think it's going to have a lot of silicones in it, or dimethicone. $195. I just noticed now it's EPIONE or EPIONE Beverly Hills, so I'm sure that's where that price tag came from. I am dying to look this up online to see the reviews and what product lines they have and figure out, is it some fancy esthetician that does skincare for everyone in Hollywood? Why is this so expensive? I don't know. I'm going to list the MSRP total value of this box. I should just deduct 200 bucks, right? Because at the end of the day, really, it's one of those products that they put in because it boosts the overall value, but it makes me question, is a 30 ml serum really worth that much money? I'm going to say no. All right, I want to hear your thoughts now. What did you think of my box? What did you get in your box? I must admit, I'm a little relieved. One of my friends and subscribers, hey Nola, was showing me what potentially could come in my box, and I was very disappointed because there was a lot of repeats. None of these were repeats, so yay to that. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. If you could do me a huge favor, could you click on that thumbs up? It really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.